Hi, I'm not an actress, I'm a homeowner. And we're here in my home today, in my sunroom, to talk to you about a brand new product that a friend of mine invented called SHAADS. SHAADS is a window cover that covers skylights, doors, and windows. And in this situation, we're in my sunroom to demonstrate the ease of installation of this product. For me, who's not handy and doesn't want to pay hundreds of dollars to have somebody come in and install a shade cover, I'm so ecstatic about the availability of this product. So let me demonstrate to you how easy it is. My shot is already installed, so I want to take it out, and in one basic motion, out it comes. The other beauty of the product is how lightweight it is. Look at, I'm holding it in one hand, and the wood frames that you can get, as well as the different fabrics. SHAADS.com. Check the website out.